Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Alice Rita, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this lovely beetroot smoothie. Yummy. Beetroot is really essential because it's rich in antioxidants. For this recipe, we need just one banana to use as a sweetener. If you do not like banana, feel free to replace it with any fruits that you really enjoy. I'm going to be using the cooked beetroot. So I'm going to be using 3 of these because they are small in size, and I really want a rich antioxidant rich beetroot smoothie. So just cut this into chunks and transfer it into a blender together with the banana. And at this stage, you can go for water to blend your smoothie, but I would love to use yogurt. Yogurt drinks, it gives this very rich and thick consistency. So we need just about half. We need to fill the cup to half volume of our blender. So you can see that. And now we're going to blend this into a very lovely, smooth smoothie. So you will know that the smoothie is ready when you no longer see the big chunks, because you will blend it till it's smooth. You can see that. So blending this to complete smoothness takes about just 3 minutes. If you have a powerful blender, that should be done in 1 minute. I think I need to buy me a blender. Yeah, so after blending this smoothie, you can see that thick consistency. You can even have it like a ice cream by just freezing it a little. You can see that. So in order to enjoy it better, we should refrigerate this for like 15 minutes before taking it. So I'm going to transfer this to my mason jar for storage and also just to make it cool down. You can look at that. That is a perfect smoothie. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching today's video, and until next time, bye.